Hi, I'm Victoria with Clive Coffee, and today we're going to be showing you how to set up your new ECM Mechanika V Slim espresso machine. Let's get started. Step 1. Inspect the box and machine for damage. Remove the machine from the box. We recommend saving all of the packaging materials and boxes. Set the machine on a stable and level surface. Inspect the machine for damage. If you find any damage, please contact us immediately. Step 2. Water quality and filling the reservoir. Before introducing any water to the machine, it's important to test it to make sure it is adequately soft. Use the included water test strip to verify the softness of your water. Ideally, we're looking for a softness below 50 parts per million. For more information on water, take a look at clivecoffee.com/water or click the link in the description of this video. Once you have verified your water is adequately softened and filtered, fill the machine's removable water reservoir. Step 3. Turning on your machine and filling the boiler. Plug in your machine and flip on the main power switch. With the power on, the machine will automatically begin heating and filling the steam boiler. Give the machine at least 15 minutes to warm up. Even when the boiler is up to temperature, the machine will still need time to warm up the E61 group head to ensure temperature stability. At this point, your machine is ready to pull your first shots. With coffee in your portafilter, lock it into the group head and simply lift the brew lever to begin pulling espresso. When you'd like to stop your shot, return the brew lever to its off position. For tips on making the best espresso, check out our Espresso Essentials video here. For tips on steaming the best milk, check out our How to Steam Milk guide here. And for more coffee know-how, don't forget to check back in at clivecoffee.com.